How are you doing? My name is Dr. Travis Davis, and I've been working with the federal government doing contract work for over 10 years now, and it's been extremely lucrative thanks to the set-aside opportunities that they have for minority businesses that look just like me and you, and a lot of people just don't know about it, and I want to change that. I want to teach you exactly for 14 days how to work with the federal government. Now, they spend over $5.34 trillion a year. They're the largest spending organization in the entire world, and 28% of that, it's got to go to small businesses that look just like mine and yours. So I want to make sure that you're equipped with all of the right information so you can start winning contracts immediately for being a small business, and most importantly, a minority who wants to scale their business to new levels. This is the #1 organization that your business should be conducting business with. Nobody spends money like them. So all you have to do is join this 14-day challenge where I'm going to hold you by the hand and teach you step by step what you have to do. And guess what? If you don't have a business already, it doesn't matter. I'm going to teach you how you can sell products and other people's services to the federal government, as well as partner with companies who are already excelling in the federal government that need to take advantage of being partnered with a minority company. Things like this happen every day in the federal government, and millions of dollars are spent on small businesses, and you deserve to have some of that money spent on you getting products and services from you. It's really easy, and I'm going to make sure you know every step. Join us and allow us to change your life so you can start creating generational wealth for you and your family. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity.